Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. As you saw by the title of this video, I'm doing another Instagram at home video. My room's a disaster. Let's not talk about it. I'm moving to Chicago in 7 days. I realized that I'm not gonna have a backyard there, and there was a particular at-home photo idea that I wanted to do before I left, so that's what I'm doing with my last week at home. Yeah, it's weird that I'm leaving and I can't like say bye to all my friends and all that stuff, but that's not what this video is about. This is at-home Instagram photos. I've done 2 other videos like this before and you guys seem to really enjoy them, and I have a lot of fun making them and getting Instagram content. I made a list again of at-home Instagram ideas, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me testing them out and see how we do. So the first one that I wanted to do is that when you take like a selfie but you end up taking like 100, you screenshot it from your camera roll. It looks like a collage almost, but it's cute because it's from your camera roll and you just look crazy that you took 400 selfies. I really want to focus on not relying on my backgrounds, because although I feel like I did add a lot from my last 2 of not just focusing on like having a cute room or cute home or whatever, I still got a lot of comments. That my favorite comment, step 1, have a cute room. And I was like, what? Did you watch the video? Okay. Let's get started. I just put on this little tank top. I still have my my pajama shorts on, but you're not gonna see them in this picture, so I'm not taking them off till I absolutely have to. I really like taking selfies in tank top or just something that's a little less, not like so crazy. I like the colors of this, which I think is fun, but I really like showing my collarbones in selfies. Is that weird? But I'm gonna take this picture and then I'll show you guys. I want to do it in front of natural lighting. I think this is stuff everyone knows, but you know, I'll put it in there. I guess you could crop this in any way, so I could do it like, if I screenshotted just this part, I can crop down to just these photos. I think that's how people do it. So like that. So it's basically, that's my father. How dare he? So that's the final outcome. A lot of you guys were asking. I don't edit my photos. If anything, I'll just take it into Lightroom and mess with the colors, but I don't use any filters or like effects or whatever. But that might change today. I'm gonna try something else. Next photo that I gotta do fast because the sun is barely out ever. In Michigan, it's always so cloudy. Oof, we're gonna go outside. I gotta change my outfit though because my neighbors can't see me in this. I look crazy. Okay, you guys just saw me set that one all up. It's still kind of wet outside and it's not sunny. My friend Amanda has done this picture in direct sunlight with our friend Liv, and they turned out so cool. And then I've seen so many people doing this kind of backdrop with a white sheet. She threw a disco ball in her picture and it just lit up so amazingly. I mean, her boyfriend Jackson took the photos, so they're unreal. But before we get into the photo, I'm gonna try and see if the clouds will go away for just even a second and I can get that photo. But something I want to talk about before is my phone case. When I'm doing Instagram at home or Instagram photos by myself, the amount of places that I put like my phone and try and lean it up against and it just takes a jump for its life is every time I set up my phone. And the reason I have no cracks in my phone is from my Casetify case. This has helped so much with taking Instagram photos at home. I'm not as scared to put my phone in the weirdest of places to get the right angle. If you guys take your own photos with self-timer or video, you guys know the pain of being there pose, that's how you pose, and watching your phone take a tumble. So I actually have a few Casetify cases. I have this neon yellow one that just says Lainey on it, and I think that's so cute. I'm loving this color for the spring and summer. And then I have this tortoise shell one that says Lainey in a different font. You can customize your Casetify case to say anything you want, and they have different fonts, sizes, placements to choose from. I was really tempted to put Ernie, but I don't know why it seemed weird. If Ernie had more of a dog name, I would have done it, but because it's so human-like, then I feel like people would just thought I had like my boyfriend's name on my phone, and I don't know why that seems weird. Sorry, Brandon. And then my two other cases I got, I think are just so pretty, and when I'm taking my mirror selfies, you guys know the case is important. It's a lot of what you're seeing. Casetify has a bunch of different prints to choose from, so I think that these two are super fun, but they have so many other ones. So if you guys want to match me with your phone cases, you can use my code Lainey for 20% off your Casetify order, which is so great. These are military grade phone cases, so when you're dropping them, there's no worries. And I actually want to show you guys me dropping my phone. Okay, so here's my phone before. It's got the nice bumper to protect the phone, and see it works. So fingerprinty, ew. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the phone. And there we have it. Perfect condition. The perfect protection for at-home photos. Saw the sun came out for like a second. It's already gone again, but get up here. Ernie does not do well in the heat. Yeah, you sleep, good boy. We just took the kind of drapey photo and it fell on me. It was so funny, but also traumatic. I'm gonna go through this video and screenshot some okay ones, and I might mess around with the shadows just because they're pretty harsh on my face. So I look funky. I'll be back. Okay, so I got a few. My video was literally only 59 seconds before the entire contraption fell down on Ernie and me. So I didn't have much time to work with it, but I got this cute video out of it when Ernie came to attack me right in the beginning. And then I like cropped some photos. So yeah, I'm happy with these. Okay, I've done so many photos right here, but I'm just trying to give you guys poses and inspiration. Before you say, first step, have a cute house, I'm going to push this so it's just a plain white wall. I think that's pretty attainable, to just move things and make a plain wall. It doesn't have to be white. You can like edit that in a app or something. And is this what a cute house looks like to you? A white wall? I'm so confused. Who's better? Me. Okay, so now I'm going to set up my phone, and this, I saw a few people do this one on Instagram, and it's just like your back and having a claw clip in. I think is really cute. I chose a shirt that shows more of my back, like a low cut one, because I think it's really pretty. And yeah, we're gonna try and set up my phone on something. I don't have a tripod. And then I think I'm gonna do it as a video on my phone. But see if I can get a good stance. So maybe I do like this. Photo. If I take one more photo in front of a white wall and post it, but like that's all I got right now. Oh my god, my butt is so saggy. We love that. I'm gonna go through these and then I'll put up what I thought are the best ones. Okay, so I think these turned out actually really cute. I'll put some of my favorites right here. I think I played myself with my jeans being saggy. I made these jeans at the beginning of quarantine, like a couple weeks in, when I was really sad, so I just kept eating all the time and not eating how I normally do. So I fit them to that body, and that's not my normal body, so I kind of messed up, and it's because of these jeans. But other than that, I think the key takeaways from this photo is I like it really simple, with like showing a lot of my back and like skin and that kind of thing. It's not in a sexual way though, because it's literally your back. And then adding so much gold jewelry. I think that even, you know how like some people will like flip their jewelry and make it like long on the back, I think that could be really fun. if that's the style you like. I liked just seeing all the chains from the back and not any of the pendants. And then I tried to make it a point to put my hands in there so you could see my bracelets and rings. Bernie? Hi, Goobin. Ernie? Ernie? I really want to do... I keep checking the weather. It looks like it's sunny, but it's not. They're clouds. Okay, this next photo I want to do is... It's not so much like a given pose and background idea. I think I've done a lot of those. I want to try out... It's an app called Nomo, N-O-M-O. In this app, as you can see, you can pick different cameras to use. I did the free 7-day trial, or maybe it's a month trial. I can't remember because I'm the type of person, as soon as I like do the trial, I cancel it and then it says like it'll be over, just so I know I'm not going to get charged. They have all these different kinds of cameras though, but I've realized my 3 favorite are the INSW, which is just a Polaroid. And with this one, whether you have the premium or not, you can upload a photo. So let's do the one I just took. You can upload it and then it like fake disposes it. What's it called? I don't know, but you can see it's doing a little disposable thing there. It doesn't always crop it exactly how you want. Like that one just went sideways. It kind of looks cool. Or you can just take a photo from the app. But then this one, this is like your old iPod Touch that only had like the back camera. And then the hashtag FR2 I really like. But with this one, ew, it has bunnies humping in the corner. So I don't like that, so you have to like crop that. So I'm gonna take a few on this app, and I think the key to make it look like a real disposable is use your flash. Obviously not with the iPhone one, but with other photos, use the flash. So I'm gonna put on something else. I don't know why I really like photos and just plain outfits, but I'm gonna put on something else. I think they just photograph the best. Like, unless you're doing like an actual fit pic, like the more plain outfit, the better. Is that just me? Probably. So right now you're gonna be able to see my phone, and I can kind of see myself in that tiny viewfinder. We're gonna do it like that, and then I'm gonna just take some black eyeshadow and make it look like I got punched, put some blood on my face, and then it'll basically look like a mugshot. Just kidding. I don't understand that trend. Why would you want to fake your own mugshot? Like, people could use that against you. People obviously aren't applying for jobs. Okay, so I used all those with the flash. I'm not even gonna look at them yet. I'm gonna try the 2007 iPhone. Ew, my toes. And we're gonna take some like this because I think it's fun. Okay, then we're gonna do the Polaroid and see how this goes. Okay, let's look through them and then I'll show you guys what I ended up getting. Okay, I think these turned out pretty cute. I like just the plain background and the gray sweatshirt. I think it's just like, it looks really vintage, or like, I don't know, not like you got dressed up to take Polaroid pictures. I think Polaroid pictures are more indisposable camera photos. I like them a lot better as like just candid, like whip it out, take a photo of somebody smiling. So even some of these where I'm like posing too much, I don't like. I like smiling photos on Polaroids and disposables. As for the 2007 iPhone photos, these did me so dirty. It looks like my skin has this crazy texture to it, but it's the filter. It's like the grain, but the grain is inconsistent. I don't know. I look wacko in them. I'm still gonna show you guys them. Welcome back to my messy room. I thought of another idea while scrolling through Instagram. I love that that's considered work for me right now. Oh, crazy. But it's a photo booth photo shoot, but instead of like last time when I did it like a selfie and tried to make it really 2000s inspired, this is more just to get that grainy effect. Hi everyone. Isn't this bedspread so cute? I made it. Okay, let's see how those turned out. Okay, I think these also turned out really cool. They're cute and just simple. I don't know what it is about photo booth. I really like these photos I took. I don't have anything else to say. So I guess that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed some Instagram at home ideas. But yeah, I had a lot of fun filming this video. I like doing these types of things, and let me know if you guys want another one of these videos. Next time I'll be in a completely different setting. I will be in my apartment in Chicago, which is so crazy. I'll have all those moving vlogs, those renovation DIY videos coming, which I'm so excited about. And yeah, so make sure to hit the subscribe button to stick around. Follow me on Instagram to see what photos or videos I actually end up posting from this. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Remember to check out Casetify too for 20% off with code LADY. Bye.